That's okay too. It's so hard to coordinate somebody from Manassas when you're in Middletown and he's in the sky and you don't know how the reception is. So hopefully my radio man is actively communicating with him. He didn't want to get up too soon and he doesn't want to surprise you, but he'll be here in a second. So let's just hold loose for a second, please.
He's flying over Stephen City.